It's a sad procession, winding down the lane. What a strange impression was branded on my brain. A band was playing endless, mindless. It was like a hooligan's lament. It was dumb, but it was timeless. I still wonder what it meant. But whatever needs to happen, let it happen, let it be. Through all I am protected, grace is effected over me. Behold the lights of London, the skipper said as his hands shook, his aura eaten by his jealousy and all the drugs he took. He said, this is the real world, buddy. Toughen up your ass or it'll break. I said, I'm not your buddy, buddy, and your real world is a fake. And whatever needs to happen, let it happen, let it be. Through all I am protected, grace is effected over me. The DJ took his vengeance as the wedding guests arrived. There was malice in his handshake, quicksand in his eyes. As he slunk across the courtyard, from far off I heard a horn. Somewhere in the bleak mid-distance something beautiful is born. And whatever needs to happen, let it happen, let it be. Through all I am protected, grace is effected over me. I stumbled down a street of shadows. A black hallelujah split the night. Anarchists and priests were playing strip jack underneath the crude lamplight. I came upon a weeping soldier. He said, I'm all washed up now, harsh. But when I glanced across his shoulder, he held a royal flush. And whatever it needs to happen, let it happen, let it be. To all I am protected, grace is effective over me. I'm still here, I'm still breathing. I'm who I thought I was, or just about. I'll be walking down this boulevard until my legs give out. Thoughts like storms and seas are raging. I know it is a matter of degree, but it's not the world outside that's changing, it's me. And whatever it needs to happen, let it happen, let it be. Through all I am protected, grace is effected over me. And whatever it needs to happen, let it happen, let it be. To all I am protected, grace is effective